Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'll teach you how to troubleshoot the issue of the Windows key not working. The Windows key is a useful and often used key on your keyboard, allowing you to access the Start menu and other important features of your operating system. If it stops working, it can be frustrating and hinder your productivity. There are a few potential causes for the Windows key not working, and fortunately, there are also a few simple steps you can take to fix it. One possible cause for the Windows key not working is a software issue. If you've recently installed a new program or update, it's possible that it could be conflicting with the Windows key. In this case, you can try uninstalling the program or rolling back the update to see if that fixes the issue. Another possible cause for the Windows key not working is a hardware issue. If the key itself is damaged or the connection between the key and the motherboard is loose, it could cause the key to stop working. In this case, you may need to replace the key or have a professional take a look at it. If neither of these solutions fix the issue, there may be a deeper problem at play. In this case, you may want to try using a system restore point or performing a clean install of your operating system to see if that resolves the issue. I hope video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.